Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, so click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.